Hey everyone, I'm hoping I'm on the right page because sometimes I get mixed up. I am coming to you a day late. So sorry. I have a Thrifty Thermomix tip, usually a Thrifty Thursday Thermomix tip, but it's a Thrifty Friday Thermomix tip today. So very quick tip for you guys. When you're making salads, always make your dressing first. You know, in the Thermomix, it chops up really quickly. 3 to 5 seconds is pretty much all you need to make a salad in the Thermomix. What you want to do is do your dressing first and mix that up. Then pop your ingredients for the salad in there and chop them up with the dressing in there already. So what that does is not only does it chop effectively, but it mixes through the dressing really beautifully into your salads. So if you want to hang around and check it out, here we go. So I've got in here oil, salt, and lemon juice. So we're going to mix that up really quick. For about 10 seconds. That's my favourite dressing, by the way. Lemon juice, oil, and salt. Alright, see how gorgeous and creamy that has become just in 10 seconds. I'm just going to, it's not for anyone else. Perfect. You want to taste? Make it all good. And then you're going to throw in, I'm just doing cabbage. Actually, that's not going to work one-handed, so I'm just going to pop it in there. So I'm putting big chunks of cabbage in with the dressing. And I'm going to chop that all together. I'm not sure if you want to hang around and watch this part, but you can shut off now if you want to. Just remember, like it, love it, tag someone you think needs to know about this. And I always take the lid off and use my spatula, ta-da, to mix it up. And that stays on there. Okay, doing this one-handed is, proving to be difficult. So I might just leave this on for the moment. Go to speed 4. Use this. I put just a tad more than usual in there, so I give it a mix. But it's all mixed in nicely. Now see, you've got a few little bits there. That's okay. Give it a stir through. My dressing is gorgeously gone through all of that salad. The big bits, you can either take them out or just give it one more mix very, very quickly. Second. And we're done. Oh, look, there's a few more bits on the top there, but you know what? Once you take those out, I'm not too phased. The rest of it's done, and it's stirred through really beautifully. Saving you time, guys, and another bowl, and another, thing that you have to wash up later on, and it's really effective in dressing your salads without having to do it by hand. If you think of the order of things that you always do your Thermomix in, then that's going to save you time. So if you're making butter, you can make a dough straight after. You can go straight into soup after that, all without cleaning the bowl in between. So be creative with your cooking. Try and work out the order of things so that it minimises the washing up in between. Better for the environment, you're saving water. Better for you, you're saving time. It's a win-win. Hope you liked that tip. Share it around if you loved it. Tag others that need to see it. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Bye.